Further down, it says stage. Just take it off.
Oh.
No.
There are 3.
Turn them off.
You're turning the lights off.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, if you watch it, so those come on.
This is chilling.
So there's that. It has 3 settings. This board has 3 settings. The ones that you're really going to care about are the subs and the 33 through 64. If you're recording cues for a show, you'll need the 33 through 64. If you're just running a show, you'll need subs. So this is a master. These are sub masters. What does that mean?
It means they're just like little pieces.
They're not really important, but they are.
It means that, well, this controls all of them.
These control just
a
the
few of them.
subs, yeah.
Right.
Oh, like Electro with the
Yeah. So this is one that's just backlight. This is another one with some backlight and some front light. That's just the red backlight.
That's really pretty.
And that's the general light. This is going to be the one that you're going to use more than anything.
4?
On this board, 6
Oh.
That looked like mine.
Your
is
what?
the chase.
My
Wait.
kitty
So chase is a whole bunch of things in a row, like a bunch of cues in a row.
Like a sequence?
Yeah, it's a sequence. Good job. These down here are called bumps
I have a question. Why was the lights flashing?
because it's a chase.
Oh.
So, but 6 for some reason is programmed as a chase, and every once in a while you need it for dance or whatever, so I just kept it a chase.
Ah, spotlight.
Never gotten
Wait,
rid of
is
it.
it always like that, Leonard, or do you change off the colors? Or
You can change the colors if you want to,
change
but
the
that's you do
pattern?
that with
can you change the pattern?
Okay, remember
how many
30.
Flashes, or
Really
You
bright.
can, but you have to go through and do a bunch
That's
of
cool.
stuff. And that's, I would only do that if you need it for a show. I wouldn't do it for, like, Mr. Mustang or anything stupid like that. They don't need it. So the little button on the bottom is called the bump. So it basically just works like a button. So sometimes I'll say bump, and that just means hit that button.
Oh, I like that. It looks like.
Just go around them.
So is it like doing both of these at the same time, kind of?
Well, because this is a submaster, we've programmed, look at this. We've programmed several lights into it. So it's got 18 and it's got a couple of them here that we don't see right now.
What happens if you push this button while that's up?
It
Nothing.
holds more
Look.
than one.
But look, if we do it halfway, so it's dim, do it.
Whoa.
So if you wanted to, you could have it all down and then use the bumps to use like for lightning.
Yeah,
or
like if you need
something.
lightning. That's basically what I use bumps for.
For lightning.
But check this out. This is a submaster. So this one switch brings up all of these.
So if you put these up, it would. This does. So it,
Yeah.
So if you push
It makes
this
no
like
difference.
halfway, it makes like some lights go brighter.
Yeah.
wait.
Oh,
Okay, wait. What if you did this and then put that dim and then? That'd be cool.
Oh.
So that's pretty self-explanatory, and it's actually fun to play with. So next year's drama teacher, make sure to have maybe Miss Fader let you come in and remind yourself how to use this. The other thing is, this board actually has 3 different settings. So subs splits it in half. It makes 1 through 32 into sliders, and it makes 33 through 64 into submasters. You can program it so that it's 33 through 64, because this is all front light, some of this is side light, and then the back light and everything else is on 33 through 64. So you'll need the whole setup to do that.
Don't, when it's on 33 through 64 and it switches to something else, don't you have to like put the code in?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the code? It's
So
this
you have to do
backwards.
this. Yeah, it's that backwards.
It's-
So you hit setup, and then it'll say that, and then you do 2, 3, 5, 7. And then modes, we'll take it from Scan B, which you don't need. Scan B makes it into a 2-stage preset, which I won't tell you what that is unless you really want to know someday. And then single, so it'll bring up these.
Oh my gosh, that
Oh,
was
that's
so cool.
The blue
Do it
one.
again.
So that's backlight, and if any of you
That's
know,
scary.
if any of you know Josh, he loves his backlight. I love my side light.
Who's Josh?
Josh is the technical. See, this is what I
If you
like.
two had a
Ooh,
kid,
that's
I bet that kid would love front light.
Yeah, I don't think our kid would like front light.
Oh, I just made myself bad. I was like, there's someone on stage that's our reflection.
So I really love the side light. That's why my side light is pretty saturated. But backlight is really beautiful, and you can play with it in a lot of
So
ways.
some of these don't have lights, I take it.
No, but they have outlets out there. Like, so when we did Electra, we had a lot of the stuff plugged into the floor.
Oh, yeah.
Those were some of these that we never use. And the
I
thing
like
is,
that one spotlight.
if you open up the floor, you'll see that the numbers are written on everything, and those numbers correspond to these numbers. Okay? Any questions about any of that?
Can we just play with this and see how many different cool sets we can make? Oh, look.
Maybe we can do it in class if you guys are interested.
So-
Yes, please.
Miss J,
Yeah.
one used to control that light, but now the bump does. But one controls this now, right?
Yeah, well the thing is, because the bump is, and this is programmed, you can change it, but these bumps are still for the submasters. So it's kind of a nice cheat if you need it for some reason.
Like blood light.
Oh, so
But
Cassie, where'd you
more
go?
often than not, it should just
Also,
stay
where'd
in
you go?
subs.
So 30.
Unless you're programming scenes. And if you're programming scenes, maybe we
turn
can...
that one off?
Guys, are you interested in maybe just doing that in third?
Yeah.
So, guys, if you can get out of whatever... Oh, do you want to do it in second too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we can do it in second and third. Just
You're not
remind
even
me.
in second.
Ew, that's
Oh.
scary.
Should have done this a long time ago.
So that's all you need to know for that. The thing is this is set up to be for the two-stage preset, which I'm not teaching you. But if for some reason the lights don't come on, make sure that these just slide up. And also, if your chase doesn't do anything, play with the rate and the level, because that's usually what's wrong with your chase. Before you turn it off, just make sure to take the master out and then turn it off in the back, because if you flick the lights on and off in the back, it messes with your light board and it'll wear out faster, and then the lamps tend to burn out more quickly. And the lamps are like $80 to $100 a piece for the lighting instruments. So any questions about the light board at this time?
Can you repeat that one more time? I want to make sure I have it.
So this is the master. So before you turn it off, turn the master down and then turn it off, and when you turn it on, turn the master back up. Because if you forget to do that, and some, like Ashley always takes all of them down, and then every time someone else turns the light board on, they have to spend 5 minutes figuring out why the lights don't turn on. So that's all that is. So we'll play with those in class next week.
So do we not touch those two and Ashley just does?
Yeah, don't ever mess with these, because it's not really,
A toy.
it's not really useful unless you know what you're doing with it. But if you don't know what you're doing with it, you can screw somebody else over for a really, really long time.
Dang,
Make sense?
Ashley is really skilled if she gets to play with that. Oh, you didn't turn it down!
Good on that.
So the next thing is follow spots, really easily.
Oh, I know how to work on those.
So follow spot, these, we have two. They work a little bit differently, but they also work the same, all right? So see this? So
This is the one that Cynthia always
this is the iris, so you can open it and make it smaller. And then there's also like a blinking, those are called barn doors that do this.
I remember that.
Um,
Thank you.
What about this
And then you can also put gels over it to change the color.
Does this one work instead?
Yeah, turn it on. And those, it does exactly the same thing, but it has different handles in here. So Dennis, try to use the balloon like it's an actor.
How do you do it tiny? Do you do this thing?
No, that'll make it blurry or tight. Go to the back. There are two little handles there. Mess with those.
Recording for future reference.
So everybody, come and take turns trying this out.
No, yeah.
Can I try after you,
Like I
Mama?
said, I know how to work on those with my drama teacher in middle school.
Anything.
I could just imagine Cynthia the day of his first day. Ha, butthole.
I have a phone.
Is it an option not to learn the sound? Say this? Okay.